How to change your Shopify store name. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up any browser you have and then navigate to your Shopify admin page. And from there, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Here you want to click on store details, and from the basic information section, click on the edit button next to it. And here you will find this field that says store name, from which you can type in your new store name, say for example. And once you're done, you can click on the save button at the top right of the screen and the changes will be saved. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the name of a Shopify store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.